In today's busy world, convenience and versatility reign supreme in the kitchen. The Ninja SP201 Digital Air Fry Pro aims to be your one-stop solution, offering a multitude of functionalities in a compact and user-friendly design. But does it live up to the hype? Let's delve into the features of the Ninja SP201 and see if it's the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. 8-in-1 functionality for a versatile kitchen. The Ninja SP201 goes beyond just air frying. It boasts a range of 8 cooking functions, transforming it into a multi-talented kitchen tool. Here's what you can achieve with this countertop oven. Air fry. Enjoy crispy and delicious results with minimal oil, perfect for French fries, chicken wings, and more. Air roast. Achieve perfectly roasted vegetables and meats with this healthier alternative to traditional oven baking. Bake cookies, cakes, and even small pizzas, offering a convenient option for a variety of baked goods. Broil. Lock in flavor and achieve a beautiful sear on meats and vegetables. Toast. Achieve perfectly golden brown toast with adjustable settings to suit your preference. Bagel. Toast the inside and gently warm the outside of your bagels for the ideal breakfast experience. Dehydrate. Preserve fruits, vegetables, and herbs for a healthy and long-lasting snack option. Keep warm. Keep your cooked food warm and ready to serve for extended periods. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple appliances, freeing up counter space and simplifying your cooking routine. Crispy perfection with Digital Crisp Control Technology Pro. At the heart of a good air fryer lies its ability to replicate the taste and texture of deep-fried food, minus the unhealthy oil. The Ninja SP201 utilizes Digital Crisp Control Technology Pro, which precisely controls temperature, heat source, and airflow. This translates to perfectly crispy exterior and juicy, tender interiors for all your favorite air-fried dishes. Increased capacity for family meals. An improvement over the previous model, the Ninja SP201 offers increased height capacity. This allows you to air fry or roast up to 4 pounds of ingredients, perfect for feeding a family. Additionally, the XL capacity accommodates a 13-inch pizza or toasts up to 9 slices of bread, making it ideal for a variety of family meals and gatherings. Healthy cooking with less fat. Looking to indulge in your favorite fried foods without the guilt? The Ninja SP201 offers a solution. With the air fry function, you can enjoy up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying. This allows you to savor crispy and delicious food without compromising your health goals. Faster cooking times. The Ninja SP201 prioritizes speed alongside convenience. It boasts up to 60% faster cooking compared to a full-size electric oven. Additionally, the air oven functions preheat within 60 seconds, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Space-saving design with flip-up feature. Living in a small apartment? The Ninja SP201 has you covered. This countertop oven features a unique flip-up and away capability. When not in use, you can simply flip the oven upright, reclaiming valuable counter space. This innovative design is perfect for those with limited kitchen real estate. Additional user-friendly features. The Ninja SP201 comes equipped with a toast darkness selector, allowing you to achieve the perfect level of browning for your toast or bagels. The inclusion of a removable crumb tray simplifies cleaning, while the accompanying accessories air fry basket, sheet pan, and wire rack cater to various cooking needs. The verdict. The Ninja SP201 Digital Air Fry Pro offers a compelling option for those seeking a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance. With its 8-in-1 functionality, advanced air frying technology, and family-sized capacity, it allows you to cook a wide range of dishes with speed and efficiency. The space-saving flip-up design makes it ideal for small kitchens. While the price tag might be slightly higher than some basic air fryers, the versatility and overall functionality justify the investment. If you're looking for a countertop oven that can air fry, roast, bake, and more, all in a space-saving design, the Ninja SP201 Digital Air Fry Pro is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.